Do you want your male drawing to look hot and masculine, but every time you try to draw, they would always end up looking like a cutie patootie? I also want my male drawing to look hot and masculine, so I studied some hot male species and I noticed that they tend to have like longer face, smaller eyes, bigger, wider neck, and they have bushier eyebrows. And like the distance between their eyes and eyebrows are smaller. Because when you look at those innocent looking female drawings, their eyebrows are a bit higher than the male drawings. So basically, you're just gonna have to adjust the features of your drawings. This does not only apply to male drawings, but also to female drawings if you want them to look more masculine.